sweetie. Can you show Daddy how you can roll over? She just did it. Good job, buddy. He's patting his head because the song told him to. Turn around. Can you turn around? That's right.
Dad.
We'll watch Daddy in a little bit, honey. Oh, no, you're not going to whine about it, buddy. Stomp your feet. Stomp your feet. Lewis, it says stomp your feet. Can you stomp your feet?
Dad.
Not right now. We're watching Sister. Sister. Well, she just rolled over. So I rolled her back. I was hoping she'd go back again, but Lewis just came over here, so she has nothing to watch over there. But anyways, here's Elizabeth. I know this isn't very exciting, but there she goes. There she goes. Come on, little girl, you can do it. I'm showing Daddy Eeyore. Sorry. Hey, Lewis, can you get the yellow ball? Go get the yellow ball. I know, that's Eeyore, huh? Lewis, can you please go get the yellow ball? Want to show Daddy your roller? Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, you can find your fire truck. Oh, so close. You can do it, little girl. You can do it. Well, anyway, she does it all the time now. Like, anytime I leave the room, she does it immediately, like she's trying to find me or something. Who's this, Lewis? Is this your sister? Yeah, sister. You fall down, buddy? Well, okay, she'll probably do it as soon as I turn the camera off, but they're your children, our children. There we go, pretty girl. Alright, there they are. Love you. Oh, that was nice, Lewis. Can you say bye-bye, Daddy?
Papa.
That's good. Say I love you. Okay, bye, honey.